Good evening and welcome to tonight's video. If you're looking to boost your income in 2023 and beyond, then you'll want to listen up. We're going to discuss the top 5 skills that could potentially help you earn millions of dollars every month. Skill number 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and ML are quickly becoming critical components of many businesses, especially those in the tech industry. With the rapid advancements in technology, the demand for individuals with these skills is expected to grow exponentially. By learning how to design and develop AI and ML systems, you can potentially earn high salaries or even create your own successful tech startup. Skill number 2. Data analytics. Data is the new gold, and businesses are willing to pay top dollar for individuals who can extract meaningful insights from vast amounts of data. By mastering data analytics tools and techniques, you can help companies make data-driven decisions and potentially earn millions of dollars in the process. Skill number 3. Blockchain development. Blockchain is the underlying technology behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it's becoming increasingly popular in other industries like finance and supply chain management. As a blockchain developer, you can potentially earn high salaries or create your own blockchain-based startup. Skill number 4. Cybersecurity. As more businesses rely on digital systems and data, the risk of cyber attacks increases. Cybersecurity experts are in high demand, and companies are willing to pay top dollar to protect their data and systems from malicious attacks. By learning cybersecurity skills, you can potentially earn a high salary and have job security. Skill number 5. Digital marketing. With the rise of social media and e-commerce, digital marketing has become an essential component of any successful business. By mastering digital marketing tools and techniques, you can help companies increase their online presence and potentially earn a high salary or start your own successful digital marketing agency. So there you have it, the top 5 skills to acquire in 2023 to potentially earn millions of dollars every month. Of course, acquiring these skills takes time and effort, but the potential rewards are well worth it. Good luck and happy learning!